If your Twitter account has been suspended, you can take the following steps to attempt to unsuspend it. First of all, you have to log into your Twitter account. Visit the Twitter website or the application and sign in with your credentials to log in. Upon logging in, you may receive prompts to verify your identity, such as confirming your email address or phone number that is associated with your account. Complete the steps to regain access. And you can also file an appeal. If verification steps are unavailable or ineffective, you can submit an appeal. For that, open your Google Chrome web browser, tap on the search bar in the top, and then type in Twitter Help Center. You will come across various websites. Tap on the Contact Us option, that is the initial link in this page. And once you do that, you have to select a topic. As we are looking to regain access from our suspended account, we are going to click on Locked and Suspended Account Issues. Tap on this drop-down menu over here and tap on I believe my account is hacked or compromised. And tap on No again. Enter your Twitter or X username. Enter your email address that is associated with your account and enter the date of the last time you were able to access your account. After that, select a confirmation method that you used to create the X account, that is either email address or phone number, and then tap on Submit that is highlighted in blue color. After completing the form with the required information, providing a clear explanation of why you believe the suspension was unwarranted, wait for the Twitter's response. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email for updates from the Twitter support, and response times may vary, so patience is essential. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.